I'm Kevin Simons. I'm an associate professor of music here at Saginaw Valley State University, and I'm also the director of choirs. Cardinal Singers is the chamber choir here at the university. It's auditioned, made up of both music majors and non-music majors. They perform at a very high level. That's the whole idea behind the ensemble. The Rethke committee asked if Cardinal Singers would perform a concert during the course of the festival. We are working on that. It's all music that uses the poems of Rethke. We also are premiering a piece that was written for us for this festival. One of the concerts we're doing is in Frankenmuth, and our host there, Dr. Scott Hislop, is a well-regarded composer. And when we were talking about this last summer, and he agreed to host, he said, would you like a piece? And I said, oh, yes, because we're looking to do something new like that. And so he and I narrowed down some of the Rethke texts that don't have musical settings, and he worked on it for several months, and then presented us with the composition first in manuscript and then in its engraved form that we have now. It's a setting of his poem, The Voice. As a musician, we of course deal with poetry and texts all the time, but this has been an even more intense process for us working with the poetry, where the poetry really is center stage and the music is not less important, but less of a focus for us. And so I thought it was important that we really learn more about Rethke and the specific poems that we were singing. And so I reached out to the Friends of Rethke, and he graciously agreed to come and talk to us. And we learned a lot about Rethke and then the poems themselves. The students had great questions. We had a really good discussion with her about the poems. This is our 10th anniversary year, and this is the first time that we've done a premiere. We also have another composer, Paul Carey, who lives near Chicago, who's driving up for this concert. We are singing a piece of his, The Shy Man, and he was so excited about the whole Rethke process. He said he'd like to come and work with the singers a little bit and get to hear the concert in Frankenmuth. It's really created a lot of excitement for us in that way, to be able to do brand new music. We hope you can join us Sunday, March 25th at 4 o'clock at St. Lawrence Church in Frankenmuth, or on Monday, March 26th at 7:30 in the Rhea Miller Recital Hall at the university.